Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be 1v1ing my friend. Just let him go in up chat. I'm also going to go in up chat. Did I go?
You've been in that chat, by the way.
Alright, continue. We're just going to 1v1 play around and I'll see if I can juke him. Mason, please come introduce yourself. They can see you.
My name is Mason, and this is my paddle.
Get the hell away. Okay. Well, we're
Kevin.
Alright. 3. When he says go, I'm gonna put y'all in third person.
Alright. Runners run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Guys,
7.
like and subscribe if you think I'll cook him.
10. Tag.
Yeah, no, he's go. What?
4 seconds.
Ooh. Damn. Hey, can we redo that?
No.
No. Redo.
No, we're not. That was 4 seconds.
No, redo.
No, we're not, bro.
Redo.
I'm not doing the 1v1.
Redo, please.
No, I'm not doing the 1v1 then.
So you're telling me you can't redo for your friend?
No, because you're trying to get your way out of this. And because you know you're not going to tag that fast.
I will. Alright, give me. By the way, you counted literal fast.
I did not count fast.
Yes, you did. You did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I did not do that. I
Yes,
said
you did.
1, 2.
Oh, absolute cat. Alright, go.
4,
1,
5.
2, 3.
That's what I did.
Okay, go. 1.
That's not what I did.
Shut up, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same time as you.
Seconds of that?
Tie.
4. Alright. 5. Runners
I
run.
told
1,
you.
2, 3.
What?
4. I said runners run.
No, you didn't.
5. Alright, runners run. 1, 2.
Yo. Like and subscribe if you guys think I'll cook them.
9, 10. You're not here. Come. While I'm saying that, I don't care.
Mason might have gotten better with the 6, 7. Hey. We'll just see. Today I'm finna be on walls. I want to see if he improved at walls by any chance. By the way, the guy I'm 1v1ing is my student. The surprise is, he did manage to tag me. I'm gonna move on to branching, because I know he doesn't know that much, but I know he knows how to jump.
I was right behind you. You can replay the video after. You want? Come on. 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Alright.
8.
First run I wasn't trying because I think he wasn't warmed up. But now, I know. Good.
54 seconds. Gosh.
That was 1 minute.
54. Not 1 minute.
Yeah, just 1 minute. Alright. So guys.
Close to 1 minute, but
Yeah. Alright.
not stupid, but whatever.
Alright, I'm at 1 minute. 3, 2, 1.
What the freak?
What? Runners run.
Oh.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, snap. I didn't even see you. Alright,
Do you
I'm
not
keeping
know
my
how
eye
to
on you.
branch?
That's fine.
Alright, I got that first point.
1 point for you.
Guys, I just got the first
Not
point.
for long. I'm gonna get ahead of you, okay?
But you're not beating me.
I might. Come. Runners run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tag.
Yo. Wait, pause real quick. What time am I at? Chill. Pause.
14, 15.
Okay, I'm at 15.
16.
No, hey, no. I ruined my camera. Chill. Stop.
You're at 21.
Stop. I'm at 21. Don't count anymore. Fix my camera.
You're at 22 now. Use that 22.
Okay, so I'm at 22. Alright, when I say go, 3. Wait, go back. It's not fair.
No!
Bro.
No! Just because you messed up your camera, I'm not going to restart.
Not restart, like go back. Because you're just going to do this. A little more. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. It's like 30.
29. Nope, 29.
Okay, still 30.
It's 29.
30, round it up.
Whatever, it's the same thing.
30.
It's still 29. So
Okay.
if I get
Runners run.
28,
1,
or
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Coming for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 3. That's my phone number. 8. I just met ya. Yeah, I got that point again.
you're such a ground camper, bro.
Me.
It's the thing, whatever, bro. Why are you getting mad?
You're the one that got mad. I wasn't ground
2-1.
camping.
I mean, 2. Yeah, 2-1.
What do you mean
Well,
2-1?
Is it?
It's 2-0.
Okay, 2-0. Whatever.
Just one more point. You want to make it 5 or 2? First to 3 or first?
1, 2, 3.
First to 3 or first to 5? I don't care.
4. Huh?
First to 3 or first to 5?
That's not. I'm gonna go 5 because that's just like way too close.
All right.
No, you get back in the gazebo. I don't care how much, bro. All right. Runners run. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, I just got
5,
stuck.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yo, my hand's shaking. Yo. Mason, where are you? Yo, it's been 30 seconds, bro. My time's on you, bro.
30 seconds. You won. You already won. Well, wait, no.
Yo.
38.
Wait, pause. Drop my camera. Chill. Pause. Bro, do you not know what pause means? Hey, when I say go. 3, 2, wait, let Lucy get me. I'll go back to where I was. Just stay where you, bro.
Nah, bro, you can't just make excuses.
She made Lucy tag me.
No,
No,
come back. That's too far, bro.
no, come over here where you were.
Go. Go.
No, go back where you were. I let Lucy tag me.
You gotta go.
The fuck? What? I'm at 1 minute. No, 50. Oh,
59.
basically 1 minute.
That's not 1 minute. It's 59.
I know, basically 1 minute. You just said 1 second.
I know, but still, it's counting at 59.
Okay, I'm gonna say it's 1 minute. You can say it's 59. No, I rounded it up. Math, you know what I mean. All right.
Yeah.
Runners run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How do you tag me from there? How do you tag me from here? Hold on, no, tell me, bro.
Do you not know how to flip
How do you
tag?
tag me this far away?
Exactly. But you went close. I do it like this. Like, look. Stay where you are. Stay where you, bruh. Like. All right, 3-0.
Hold on, let me see. Let me see what you did. See?
Give me Tiger. Stay where you are. Yeah, stay right there. No, go a little closer. Wait, 1 sec. See?
You came closer. That actually touched me. Last time you didn't touch me.
No. Look, cause your gorilla has hitbox. It's like a rectangle. Like your hitbox is right here. Look at my hand. Right, like this, like at your shirt, but like a little farther.
You wasn't that close though. You was like right here. And you did like that.
Right, give me Tiger. Let me show you. Okay, stay right there. Wait.
Exactly.
There you go.
But you're letting go of your strings.
No, I didn't. I did this.
See?
I did this. You gotta flick your wrist. It flicks your wrist like this. Yeah, like just like that. But you went close. You have to do it like this. Look. All right, enough with this video. I don't wanna make it too long. So let's do this. Come on.
Run.
I'm at 30. What? Over here. $40.
59 again. Okay, 40.
And was that 50 or 40?
No, don't make up excuses now. You said 40, so that's your own time.
45.
No, it's 40.
Bro, I
You
said 30 and then 20 seconds later, I said, all right, 40. So I just gave myself 5 seconds off. You have a chance now. All right. Runners run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yo. What the heck? You're close.
What the frick did you come from?
Up there. Hey, I'm gonna teach you after this, okay? I am your teacher after
You
all.
said 5. You already got 5 points.
Alright. No, it's 4-0.
You said 5. You got 5.
No, I'm at 4. What do you mean?
Bro, you got 5.
I'm at 4 points. What do you mean?
Whatever, bro. It's 5.
No, not seconds. Like, I have 4 points.
No, I know. You said to go to 5.
Yes, so 1 more. So chase me.
Okay, whatever. Runners run. 1, 2.
I'm gonna only branch this time, and if I go on walls, it's just to do a strategy.
Okay. I'm not counting anymore. You can count.
Robin? I'm at 40. No, 30.
Count.
Oh crap.
Like 38.
No, you said I was
40.
counting. That was like 42. Wait, no, 43 or 42. Around that. So I'd say like 42.50. Last round. Can Mason clutch this up?
What do you mean last round? You got 5.
No, I didn't. You still have to run.
But you got 5 though.
I don't think you're understanding what I'm saying. The first round, I had to run first. Then after that, you had to run. That was 1 point. After that, I ran, you ran. That's 1 point. I ran, you ran. I just ran right now. Now you need to run.
You said I had 0.
Yeah, it's 4-0. If I tag you in the matter of 42 seconds.
You just said it was 4-0.
Yeah, it was 4. Bro, do you not understand what a 1v1 is?
You said it was 4-0.
It is 4-0 still. Because it's not 5-0. I have to
Okay.
tag you in the matter of 42 seconds.
So basically you're saying it's 1-4.
No.
Okay, whatever. Just go.
No, not me. You run now.
Runners run. Okay. Bro.
No, you have to run, not me. I already ran.
I don't care.
I'll just explain what a 1v1 is. 3 seconds. Coming.
What the hell? How? I don't get it. I think you.
And now it's 5-0.
Why is your voice so low?
Because it goes. Alright, guys. that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed my 1v1 with my friend. Yeah, we'll do a 1v1 later when we both get better, and bye bye.